So, what problem is this actually trying to solve?
Great question. Budgeting exists to solve the problem of unconscious spending that happens when the brain follows impulses instead of plans. And, without a structure, dopamine-driven reward circuits can overpower the prefrontal cortex that is designed for long-term thinking. So, budgeting is not about restriction, it is about training your brain for control and clarity in the AI age. So stay with me.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. Budgeting is a decision-making system that tells your brain where money should go before emotions decide for you. 2. In an AI-driven world where spending is instant and digital, having a system protects you from reacting to every notification and trend. 3. Budgeting builds internal leadership, because it strengthens planning skills that support long-term growth and future success.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Number 1, when you create and follow a budget, your prefrontal cortex activates more strongly, reinforcing planning and evaluation circuits. Number 2, this reduces overactivation of dopamine circuits and calms the amygdala during financial stress, creating steadier emotional responses. Number 3, the hippocampus stores these structured money experiences, and through neuroplasticity and changes in the default mode network, budgeting becomes an automatic habit rather than a forced task.
How does this show up in real life?
Great question. 1. At school, budgeting your time and money helps you balance fun and responsibility instead of reacting to every distraction. 2. In friendships and stress, a clear plan reduces comparison and emotional spending, especially when technology makes buying effortless. 3. In careers like AI engineer, doctor, psychiatrist, designer, policymaker, or entrepreneur, structured thinking and system design are essential skills, and budgeting trains that same mental muscle.
So, small equals big?
Yes. 1. Small acts like writing down expenses are like planting seeds in a financial garden that slowly grows structure and clarity. 2. Repeated tracking strengthens neural pathways just like lifting weights strengthens a muscle. 3. Over time, those pathways form disciplined character, and disciplined character becomes a powerful career advantage in the AI economy.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. List 3 categories where your money goes, and picture your prefrontal cortex organizing them like folders in a digital system. Step 2. Notice how you feel when assigning limits, and imagine your amygdala settling as structure replaces uncertainty. Step 3. Track one small expense daily, and remember the hook, systems build strength even when the steps seem small.
What should we do today?
1. Write down every dollar you spend today without judgment. 2. Review it with a parent or trusted adult and talk about what surprised you, strengthening your awareness circuits. 3. Repeat this micro habit for 1 week, and watch your clarity and control grow steadily. Remember, budgeting is not about restriction, it is about direction. Each small act of planning strengthens your brain's control systems through neuroplasticity. In the AI age, structured thinkers will design their future instead of reacting to it. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.